Manipur University ki Department of Psychology na sinduna, it is time to prioritize mental health in the workplace haiba hiramda World Mental Health Day 2024 ki Thouram ama Kanchipur da leiba Manipur University ki Court Hall da Pangthokkhre. Thouram aduda Inner Manipur Lok Sabha gi MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoizam, School of Mathematics and Physics Science Manipur University ki Dean Professor Sumitra Fanjaubam, School of Human and Environmental Science Manipur University ki Dean Professor S. Jibon Kumar amasung Department of Psychiatry RIMS ki Professor Dr. R.K. Lenin na resource person oina saruk yaki. Inner Manipur Lok Sabha gi MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoizam na fongdorakpada thabak ama pangthokpa matamda pukning laitadana taurabadi thabak pangthokpa ngammoy. Mental health ki lairiba issue sing asi hengatlakani amadi tauriba thabak khudingmakta pothafam khangdaba isada stress leiba hengatlakpana mental health ki issue gi changsu hengatlakani. Wakal na bu warabadi haksangsu adum soi thabak mafamda amaga hengatnaba hotnabada competitive oiba henlakpa asinasu wakalda pothafam khanghande. Isaga chanadana thabak wana taurabadi haksang soklakani. Mental health ki maramda miyamda khanghannaba tongan ba thabak thauram kaya paikhatuna lakli amadi pukning wakal fana lainaba hotnaminasi. Pukning wakal farabadi thabak ama tauba matamda mai pakna pukning changna tauduna thabak khudingmak ningthina mai pakpa ngamgani haiba wafam thamki.
Who is a healthy individual? Can there be a healthy individuals without a healthy society? Is healthy society nothing but the accumulation of this individual healthy society? Not necessarily. So these are debates that you must open up and look at your contemporary world. In Manipur is violence. Deeply, it's not that some cookie divisive forces are acting on us. We are eroding from within. In the kind of cultural things, the etiquettes, the cultural nuances of as a community is completely gone in this society. It is there. It is brute force. You're thinking about a civilized, developed Manipur. No, you are not going to. It's not because of divisive cookie politics. It is within us. If I wanted to do something, do you think that there will be no pressure on me? If I want to invest something, people are only waiting like vultures of our society or our own product. How do you deal with this? You say as an academic, you come with a dream and you do. Do you think that I will be able to do it as freely as you think? It's not that I wasn't aware of it, but I'm sharing with you. The challenge is how to negotiate with this and still manage to do something. But I can tell you, what is the potential for 100% doing work will be cut down to 70%. You will end up doing 20 to 25%. You will be lucky if you can implement that one. That's the reality of our society. Do you think there's a civilized way of relating with each other? Do you think that there is no hyper masculinity, toxic masculinity in our society? Do you think that minorities will be respected in this attitude? Not your patronizing attitude. Everybody is equal in contemporary life. Do you think that's going to define our healthy society? How individual is going to be? If the money accumulation and then you are happy for a moment because you have the capacity to spend, but the corrupting effect of that thing on society, how do we define? So health as the physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being, how we are going to achieve on the World Mental Health Day. So going beyond this conventional way of looking at it, it's time for us to ask critical questions. Incidentally, there is also a school of thought called, check it out, Philip Wexler's work, Critical Social Psychology. If you wanted to do a real psychology, these are the stuff. And I have learned this, and I'm finished, this is my last comment. Psychology as a discipline is sort of restrained by the university system. But it is one of the most powerful disciplines that you can ever imagine today. Why? Because everything involved human activity is about human emotions and human motives. Everywhere you will find it. When I had faced problem in my PhD,